The idea of good behavior really came from the needs of our clients in the salon. They're constantly coming in asking for keratin smoothing treatments. The main reason why somebody would get a keratin treatment is to help with an easier styling process and then maintaining that style. What a chemical treatment does to the hair is delivers a high dose of keratin, but along with other additional chemicals to help bind and seal the hair fibers. So all the founders came together and talked about how we can send our clients home with a product that gives them the same effect of a keratin treatment, but that's much safer and much more cost effective. Along with providing stylists the tools to use behind the chair that will give their clients the results they're looking for. We really wanted to create products to give the benefits of smoothing without the harsh chemicals. With that, we created Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray, which is an innovative, heat-activated spray that can be applied to damp hair as well as dry hair to create a keratin-like smooth result. After the success of the Good Behavior Smoothing Spray and how well stylists and clients alike responded to this formula, we knew we had to expand this collection of products to include formulas that help throughout the entire styling journey from start to finish. We launched a 4-in-1 prep spray that is the first step on damp hair to help instantly detangle and prepare the hair for styling. This product is also great to use as a curl refresher. So on Amy's hair here, I'm just gonna spray it in and I'm gonna bring back her curl and add hydration and lose the frizz. Our now newest addition to the collection is a smoothing balm. The smoothing balm is for medium to thick hair types that need that extra control, moisture, nourishment, and 72-hour frizz control, and 450-degree heat protection. And I'm here in Los Angeles at the IGK salon to introduce you the new Good Behavior Styling Balm. My beautiful model Amy here. She has the perfect hair type for this product, and I'm really excited to show you the benefits and how this product changes her hair. When determining which product to use between the smoothing spray and the smoothing balm, we recommend using the smoothing spray on fine to medium hair and the smoothing balm on medium to thick, coarse, unruly hair. The aerosol spray is lightweight and great for hair that needs help with smoothing and frizz control. The balm is a more powerful formula, but offers the same benefits as the spray for frizz control, but at a much higher level. As you guys know, the 4-in-1 prep spray is amazing for detangling and preparing the hair for a straight, smooth blowout. After I shampooed and conditioned Amy, I brought her back and I applied our Good Behavior 4-in-1 prep spray to detangle the hair. This will also act as the first step to the perfect style. And I combed it through with a wide tooth comb to make sure that it was evenly distributed. Then I went and added the new Good Behavior Smoothing Balm from roots to ends, and I'm also gonna comb that through with a wide tooth comb to make sure that's evenly distributed. I'm now sectioning the hair at the front in the hairline where everybody's hair is a little more unruly, and this will give me the perfect foundation for the perfect style. I'm now taking my section in the back and I'm gonna work my brown brush through the hair all the way to the ends to create that perfect smooth blow dry. When I'm smoothing the hair for a perfectly straight blow dry, I like to use a lot of tension starting at the root and really rotate my fingers all the way to the ends of the blow dry. I do this to create a really keratin-like effect, to have a really smooth, glassy-like finish. And to really create that glassy, non-flyaway look, you want to just pass through with the flat iron using the Spirulina Protein Spray from roots to ends. What's great about this is it's heat activated up to 450 degrees. My ideal temperature when getting a glass-like finish using a flat iron is about 400 degrees. As you can see, we have a full collection of products for all hair types and all textures. I'm super excited for you guys to try our new smoothing balm. It's gonna really elevate your work behind the chair, and I think your clients are gonna love it, and it's exactly what you guys have been looking for when it comes to smoothing, and I'll see you next time.